All you have to do is turn on the faucet or push a button and the water starts flowing, or a toilet takes wastewater away. But where does the water come from, and where does it go once we've used it?
Every tall building, both commercial and multifamily residential in the city, has got 3 different pump systems: an HVAC system, fire protection, and then a plumbing pump system covering both water and wastewater. The interesting thing about pumps is they're largely out of sight, and therefore they're out of mind. We take for granted that we have fresh water coming in and that all of our waste gets out of the building. But when gravity can't do the job, we need pumps in order to get fresh water in and up. Think about how tall the skyscrapers are in New York City. At the same time, we use water to get wastewater down and out of the building.
For over 90 years, PumpMan NYC, through its federal pump subsidiary, has been building and repairing pump systems throughout the tri-state area, including residential, commercial, and municipal projects. These pumps are used in both freshwater and wastewater systems.
Well, PumpMan is a national pump service and repair company. We focus on pumps and motors. Our roots in New York City actually go back 90 years through our acquisition of Federal Pump. But today we serve New York City out of two locations, here in Astoria in our shop where we're standing today, and also in Canarsie in Brooklyn. One of the things that makes our company unique is we really focus on on-site maintenance, repair, and service. Think about it. If you own a building, oftentimes you know you have a problem because you lose water pressure, you have a foul smell, you have a backup in the system. You don't really know what to do. First thing you do is you're going to call PumpMan NYC. You're going to call us up and say, come out here and tell me what's going on with my pump system. Our guys go out to the job site. They're able to diagnose the problem, very much focused on getting the problem resolved. Sometimes we can bypass a bad pump, a bad motor, a bad control. We can pull that pump out, bring it here to our shop. We can diagnose the problem. We can give the end user a choice between replacing the component or the full assembly, or we can actually fabricate repair parts right here.
PumpMan NYC is a one-stop shop. We're able to handle turnkey projects. So from troubleshooting through removal, repair to reinstallation, we can handle pretty much repair from A to Z.
From installation to yearly maintenance to emergency service, PumpMan and their highly trained technicians can handle all water pump related problems.
We're vertically integrated from the ability to do on-site diagnosis. We can pull a pump or motor, bring it back to our shops, diagnose that problem. We can give our customer a choice. Would you like it repaired or would you like it replaced? We can design the system, install it, and then provide aftermarket service, including 24-hour emergency repair.
To learn more about PumpMan NYC, visit their website, pumpmannyc.com, or watch this segment again at InsideTheBlueprint.com.